we saw mobile, we saw web. Let's see another web example that is pretty cool that I can share with you all. I am going to open this QR code that you can scan. So everyone, if you have a phone right now, put it in front of the screen, scan this QR code, and you'll be able to see this building in your apartments right now. So scan it the same way I'm doing it. You can also use a direct link that I can share right here. Maybe I'll do that as well. So I'm sharing the link right here. Let's do that. The camera would instantiate. I'll be able to see this 3D model that you see right here, right? Let's see it in AR. Do the same thing that I'm just doing. After we scan this QR code, I'm being redirected to a website. You can still see the floor. I'm moving it around. And bam, no app installation needed. We see this building right here in my apartment. And you can do the same thing with your phones right now with the link that I shared or with just scanning this QR code. So definitely try that out. It's really, really cool. Quick share of the application, of the content that you can share with your friends.